Meron tayong tatlong problem sa lesson 4. A-apply na naman natin dito yung T-account approach. Tingnan natin yung problem 1. X company has the following information in its records. Cash, beginning 82,000, ending unknown. Yan yung unknown sa problem dito. Cash balance ending, yan yung isusolve natin. Accounts receivable beginning and ending given. I-derive natin dyan later yung total collections from accounts receivable. Kailangan natin yan. Accounts payable beginning and ending given. I-derive natin later yung total payments ng accounts payable. Kailangan din natin yan. For 2019, total sales given, purchases given, expenses paid given. How much is the cash account balance on December 31, 2019? Cash balance ending. Yan yung unknown. Kung titingnan natin yung T-account ng cash, beginning, ending. Dito yung receipts, debit cash. Marami yung sources ng debit cash. Pero dito sa problem 1, yung source lang ay yung galing sa accounts receivable. Meron pang iba yan eh. Hindi lang naman galing sa accounts receivable. Say, umutang siya. Debit cash, credit liability. Nagbenta siya ng shares of stock, debit cash, credit ordinary share capital. At marami pang iba. Dito nga, galing lang sa accounts receivable, yung debit cash. Yung credit cash, yan yung disbursements natin. Marami ding sources. Dito sa problem, dalawa lang. Yung credit cash, yung expenses paid, at yung payment ng accounts payable. So, dalawa yung disbursements natin. Yung cash balance beginning ay given 82,000. Cash balance ending, yan yung unknown. Expenses paid given 250,000. So yung i-derive natin ay yung sa accounts payable na disbursement at yung receipt galing sa accounts receivable using T-accounts. Next page. Yung accounts receivable na T-account, kung titingnan natin, beginning, ending. Dito yung sales. Kung meron tayong entry, debit accounts receivable, naka-debit, credit sales. Dito yung collection. Kung merong entry, debit cash, credit accounts receivable. Ito yung unknown. Yan yung i-derive natin. Yung beginning ay given 53,000. Ending given 75,000. Sales given 850,000. Pwede na nating isolve yung collection. Pero later na. Tingnan muna natin yung accounts payable na T-account. Beginning sa credit side ay liability yan, ending. Purchases debit purchases, credit accounts payable. Nandito yung payment. Yan yung unknown. Yan yung i-derive natin. Debit accounts payable. Credit cash. Yung beginning ay given 42, ending 48. Purchases given 580. So, pwede na natin i-derive yung payment. Unahin natin yung sa accounts receivable. Total debits 903. Dapat yung total credits 903. Work back 903,000 less 75,000, that is 828,000. Yan na yung collection. Yung sa accounts payable, total credits 622. Dapat dito 622 din. Work back 622,000 less 48,000, that is 574,000. Yan yung payment. So, pwede na nating punuin yung cash na account natin. Balik tayo sa page 1. Yung total collection sa accounts receivable, 828,000. Total payments sa ating accounts payable ay 574,000. So, total debits, 910. So, dito dapat 910 din. Work back. 910,000 less 574,000 less 250,000, that is 86,000. Yan yung cash balance ending. Yan yung answer for problem 1. 86,000. Yung problem 2 ay similar yan sa problem 1. Merong in-insert lang ng mga items. Ano yung in-insert na item? Sales returns, sales discounts, purchase returns, and purchase discounts. Yung sales returns at sales discounts, merong influence yan sa computation ng collection sa accounts receivable. Yung purchase returns at purchase discounts, merong influence yan sa computation ng payment sa accounts payable. How much is the cash account balance on December 31, 2019? So, yung tanong, cash balance ending. The same lang dun sa problem 1. The account. Beginning, ending. Receipts, disbursements. Yung beginning ay 82,000. Receipts, kukumputin natin. Disbursements for expenses given, 250,000. For accounts payable, kukumputin natin. Then, lalabas yung ending balance. Kung merong sales returns at sales discounts, ano yung mangyayari dun sa T-account? Beginning, ending, sales, collection. Yan yung unknown. Kung merong sales returns at sales discounts, nandyan yan sa credit side. Mababawasan yung accounts receivable. Ano yung related entries? Yung dalawa. Kung yung customer ay merong sinuli sa atin na goods, mababawasan yung accounts receivable, debit, sales returns, credit, accounts receivable. Kung yung customer ay nagbayad within the discount period, mababawasan din yung accounts receivable, debit cash, debit sales discount, credit, accounts receivable. Kung i-simplify natin yung effect niya doon sa accounts receivable, debit sales discount, credit, accounts receivable. Yung beginning accounts receivable, 53,000, ending 75,000, sales given 850,000, sales returns 10,000, sales discounts 15,000. So, pwede na natin computein yung collection. This is how to compute the collection kung merong sales returns at sales discounts. Total, 903. Dapat dito, 903 din. Work back, less 75, less 15, less 10. That is 803,000. So, merong collection na 803,000. Accounts payable, beginning, ending. Ito yung purchases, payment. Kung merong purchase returns at purchase discount, dyan yan sa debit side. Dahil mababawasan yung accounts payable natin. Kung meron tayong isinole na goods sa supplier natin, mabawasan yung accounts payable. Debit accounts payable, credit purchase returns. Kung nagbayad tayo within the discount period, mababawasan din yung accounts payable. Debit accounts payable, credit purchase discounts, credit cash. Kung i-simplify natin yung effect niya sa accounts payable, debit accounts payable, credit purchase discount. Beginning, given 42,000, ending 48, given purchases given 580,000. Purchase returns 20,000. Purchase discounts 25,000. Total credit 622. Dito 622 din. Work back, less 48, less 25, less 20. 529,000. So, yung payment natin for accounts payable ay 529,000. So, pwede na natin punuin yung T-account na cash. 82,000 beginning, receipts 803,000. Disbursements for accounts payable 529,000. Total 885. Work back. 885 less 529 less 250, 106,000. Yan yung answer sa problem 2. Cash balance ending. Yung problem 3 ay similar din sa problem 1. Yung umiba dito ay walang purchases, unknown. Instead, yung given ay merchandise, inventory, beginning, ending. So, yung gagawin natin, i-derive natin yung purchases using merchandise, inventory, beginning, and ending, and the cost of sales. So, pwede natin i-derive yung purchases para gamitin natin sa accounts payable T account natin para lalabas yung payment dun. Yung tanong, the same pa rin, cash balance ending. So, T account, cash, beginning, ending, receipts, disbursements. Beginning cash, 82,000. Receipts, i-derive natin. Disbursement for expenses, 250,000. Disbursement for accounts payable unknown, di-derive natin. Then lalabas yung ending. Yung computation ng receipt or collection, very easy lang. Accounts receivable, beginning, ending, sales, collection. Beginning, 53, ending, 75. Sales, 850. So, total debits, 903. Workback, 903 less 75, 828. Yan yung receipts. Accounts payable. Beginning, ending. Dito yung purchases unknown. Payment, yan yung kailangan natin. Beginning 42, ending 48, given. So, paano natin madiderive yung purchases? Doon natin makikita yung purchases sa formula in computing for the cost of sales. Na very easy lang naman to recall. Meron kang beginning inventory plus purchases will give you goods available for sale less ending will give you cost of sales. Beginning given 26,000. Ending given 32,000. Cost of sales given 628,000. So work back, 628 plus 32, 660 less 26, 634. Yan yung purchases natin. So 634,000. Total credits 676. Total debits dapat 676. Work back, 676 less 48, 628. Yan yung payment ng accounts payable. So, pwede na natin punuin yung T account. Receipts 828, disbursements ng accounts payable 628. Workback 910 less 628 less 250. That is 32,000. Yan yung cash balance ending ng 2019, 32,000. Yan yung answer ng problem 3. That's all for now.